'Twas the night before Nodo.
And we're rushing to get things done.
That's what happens when you go on a trip and then come home 3 days before another trip.
Yep. It's unfortunate, but the CB radio doesn't seem to be working.
On the Beetle?
Yeah. I don't know. I have other CVs, but I don't have another antenna. It might be the antenna that's causing it, the way I mounted it. Just don't know. But my axles were loose. I was able to, when I had that on the lift, I was able to tighten those up. I was able to tighten my shift coupler. I was having a little vibration, and seemed like that may have been the culprit in the shifter. So we got that.
Got most of our stuff packed. Got a few odds and ends to put in there still. And then attach it to the Beetle.
Let's get them in there now. This will turn on.
Lights?
Yeah.
Yep.
Morning, everybody. The Coleman is loaded. We're ready to go. First Coleman trip. We're heading over to Nodo weekend. Come on down. We got a little caravan going.
Breaker.
You can't all talk at the same time.
All right, I don't want to touch on the right.
Can you hear me?
Oh yeah.
Yes. Caboose. Walkie-talkies in action here.
This is great. All right, guys, we're fueled up. We got a little line going here. We're going this way. All right, guys. All right, should I go over here all the way or just right here?
Wawa breakfast for the win.
Look at that. Shout time, guys. All right, guys, we're 9 cars deep in the caravan. We're just past this light here. We're gonna meet up probably with 3 more people, and then on to the next meet. So the caravan, the convoy is growing.
All right, y'all. We out.
We've been running.
Our first breakdown.
We've been running really hard.
That's Daniel.
Oh, it's the glass.
Found your problem. Careful on all that glass.
Don't roll around the glass.
Put your knee in it. Too late.
See if anything looks fun.
I'm gonna back down on the speed probably.
Okay, we going a little quick.
Yeah, you guys are going a little quick.
Okay. That's a good success story here. That's all 69.
If I'm way behind, just keep going.
Okay, well, I'll slow it down.
Yeah, you guys are.
Well, Daniel had a little bit of an issue. He wasn't starting.
I was gonna say like you.
Might be, jeez.
Probably just running hot. It's already really hot out.
My temperature gauge was pretty good. But, anyway, wasn't running. So, I don't know what happened. Maybe it got a little warm. But, I just messed with some connections on the coil. Tightened them up, some of them were loose. But it wound up starting, and I don't want to say that was it. Probably just a fluke, but he said that sometimes it'll get flooded sometimes. That may have been what happened. It got warm. Anyway, we're en route to part 2 of the convoy. on this trip to Nova. Always a good scenery here. Well, this is something we don't see anymore in Florida, and not very common. It's the orange groves. It's unfortunate there's so much building going on here that we don't get to experience this anymore.
And the freeze that killed them in the 90s.
Yeah, freeze killed them in the 90s, but you still see them every now and again in some of the more rural areas. Old Florida, I love old Florida. Nothing beats it.
Taking over the breakfast parking lot.
Yeah, the red ones are made in China. Oh, really? Yeah, I think so. All right, we'll follow us over.
All right, guys, there was 22 of us at breakfast, and we just gathered like maybe another 3 or 4 people. Continuing over to the next stop. Follow along, guys. Beautiful scenery, guys. Funny thing, always follow your leads. Guy just pulled up to us. He's like, hey, I got a buddy. He's got a clear in the slaughter. He's got 2 Volkswagen things on there. He's got a trike with a Volkswagen motor. They all have engines. He needs to get them out cheap. He just needs them out now.
Guess what we're doing.
So we're going to the Volkswagen show, but I'm in contact with this gentleman here. We may have some, it's possible, we may have some vehicles coming back to the brewed up location. So stay tuned on that. See you later, alligator.
Brewed up to the rescue.
We're gonna try. I'm gonna see what's going on.
Justin and Daphne are gonna whiz you up the hill.
Yeah.
When one person breaks down, we all pull over.
All right, we've got another fuel break, another stop off, and we're gonna continue on the voyage. All right, guys, we are getting ready to roll into the Nova Campground right about, go further,
Around this corner.
0.1 miles. All right, there it is, Nova Campground, everybody.
Next right, then turn left.
We are rolling in.
We're gonna give 2 of us a ride and 1 of us ride your chair.
All right, we're all set up now. Getting ready to head to Daytona Aircooled, so we're gonna go check that out next. This thing's always cool.
I like the
A
high
new
tops
table.
lately.
Brand new table.
Look at that.
Low riders only.
Oh, maybe because it's hard to get in.
Oh, was I that low?
Can you pull in? Is there a spot? Right next to Jerry. It looks like there might be
Yeah.
room.
I don't know, that's pretty tight.
Oh, maybe
I
not.
don't know, what do you think?
All right, we just arrived at Daytona Aircooled Parts. We got here a little late, but they're still partying. They have a DJ out here. Got the new gaskets. Good deal. Rocky's back in biz.
Almost.
I've always had the capability. I never had this kind of stock, but most actually stock that kind of thing. Now, that'd be quick. It's like a fake slow.
I didn't see that one back there.
No price.
This just says Charlie's name on it. Oh, I should probably put the, well, make a left here. Hey. Oh, there's Wild Bill.
Yeah. Go over and say hi.
Wild Bill right over here.
Yeah.
Looks good. Yeah. Grilled chicken, fried chicken. All right, guys, it was a great night today. It's Friday night. We're at the Nova Campground. It was a fun ride over. Hung out at the Nova Campground for a little bit. Went to the Inca Peruvian restaurant. There was a big turnout over there. Came back, hung out at the campsite. Everyone's mingling around, everyone having a good time. Cars are still coming in. But all in all, it was a great night. We're looking forward to tomorrow.